Jatend migao mar somo Julius Ogamba olero ni piny owacho osegolo siling bilion 14 ne skunde mapacho ka komedo ni onge tiende jotend skunde olor skundegi. Migos no telo ne chenro mar chwalo buge somo ne skunde. Okwedo tim mar jotend skunde bogoloro nikech deko mar omenda kowacho ni pesa modong ibiro chwal bang'e.
14 billion is going to secondary schools. They are receiving this money as we speak, so there is no point to make those threats or even close those schools. And as we've indicated to them, in this country we have challenges. What we all need to understand is the government is ready, willing and able to handle those challenges, and we are aware of those challenges. So when there's some delay, the threatening of sending the students back home doesn't help, because it is the government that are supposed to release those resources. So we are working very hard to ensure that the resources are released on time, and the issues arose this time because they were the government under National Treasury was paying the debts and all that. But last term, we were able to release all the disbursements before the schools opened.